Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to take a PNG, it can be an animated PNG or just a static PNG image, and make it transparent around the border of the image so that you can see it through grease pencil. Now I have an image to show you how to do this with, but I also already done this with this image, this dinner table image that I'm showing you. Let's get the downside out of the road with regards to this technique. Now, as you can see, there is a border here. It's a slight dark border around the image. Now this can't be helped because what I'm going to show you, so bear that in mind. It's much easier if you've got a simple geometry image rather than something complex like this dinner table here. So the first thing to do is go to object mode and then select add mesh and then add single vert. Then you'll see a single vertex object appear in the 3D space. Select the vertex and move it to where you want, roughly in front of where the PNG image is. To draw with the vert tool, click E to extend the vert, and then that'll let you move to the next node, and then you can press the mouse button, the left click, and select again to drop that node into the position. Repeat this process till you're one join away from the last node or the first one that you started with. So holding down the shift key, make sure you're selected on the last vert and then click on the one that you want to connect to, which doesn't have a line at the moment. Then go up to your menu and go to vertex and then new edge from vertices, or you can press the shortcut that is the F key. So that will complete the join in the vertices and give you a complete object that's all joined up. Now press A to select all the vertices, and then you can go up to face in the menu and then select fill, or Alt and F. Right click and select subdivide to add more complexity to your mesh shape if you need it. To make this as accurate as possible, you can quickly hide the mesh layer and take a look and see how closely it is related to your original PNG drawing, and then either move the vertices a bit closer or a bit further away to suit the background PNG image. Now add a new material and make sure that the surface is selected on principled BSDF. Then from the timeline menu, open up the shader editor. Then shift A to bring up the menu, and then choose image texture to add that in as a new node. Then connect your color to base color and also your alpha to alpha, and then what you have to do is make sure that your image is selected correctly, so click on the image texture node and in the left box change that to the correct PNG image. Then open up your UV editor in another tab or in another window, just horizontal or vertical split. Then click on your vert object and select A to select all of them, and then press U to bring up another menu and if you select unwrap, now you might have to play with the UV editor mask to get it in the right position. That'll take a bit of time, and trust me, you'll never get it perfect, so don't try to get it perfect, just try to get it as best you can. So that'll give you your vertex mask with the image projected on it, and the last thing to do is just to move your original image back behind your background image on the Y, or you can move it down out of the camera frame view. As you can see, the border around the image is now correctly around the image, so you can move it up and down around the grease pencil and keep the transparency around it. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. It would be great if you could subscribe to the channel and please hit that like button. Have a fantastic day. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.